And the felicitation ceremony has started at the Gachibowli Stadium in Hyderabad. There are hundreds and hundreds of young school children who've assembled there, some who want to shake hands with PV Sindhu. Let's listen into what's happening at Ground Zero.
మహమూద్ అలీ గారికి గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు కేంద్ర మంత్రివర్యులు బండారు దత్తాత్రేయ గారికి గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు శ్రీ నాయన్ నరసింహారెడ్డి గారికి శ్రీ తారక రామారావు గారికి శ్రీ మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారికి జిహెచ్ఎంసి మేయర్ బొంతు రామ్మోహన్ గారికి గౌరవ పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యులు కొండా విశ్వేశ్వరరెడ్డి గారికి గౌరవ ఎమ్మెల్యే అరికెపూడి గాంధీ గారికి కార్పొరేటర్ శ్రీ సాయి బాబా గారికి విచ్చేసిన ఇతర ప్రజాప్రతినిధులందరికీ అతిథులందరికీ తెలంగాణ స్పోర్ట్స్ అథారిటీ తరఫున స్వాగతం. మనందరికీ తెలిసిందే ఈరోజు 2016 రియో ఒలింపిక్స్లో వెండి పథకాన్ని గెలిచి స్వదేశంలో అడుగుపెట్టిన మన సింధూర మాణిక్యం ఊసల వెంకట సింధుకి మన తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం ఘన సత్కారం చేయాలని నిర్ణయించడం, సింధుకి 5 కోట్లు, ఆమె గురువు గోపీచంద్ గారికి ₹1 కోటి పారితోషికం ఇవ్వాలని నిర్ణయించడం, ఇంతకు మునుపు రాష్ట్రం కనీ విని ఎరగనంత ఘనంగా సత్కరించాలని మన నేత గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ కల్వకుంట్ల చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు శనివారం సాయంత్రం కేబినెట్ సమావేశంలో నిర్ణయించడం, వెనువెంటనే సంబంధిత శాఖలకు ఆదేశించడం జరిగింది. తక్కువ సమయం ఉన్న తెలంగాణ స్పోర్ట్స్ అథారిటీ, జిహెచ్ఎంసి, పోలీస్ వారు, ఆర్ఎన్బి, ఐఎన్పిఆర్, కల్చర్, హైదరాబాద్ మరియు రంగారెడ్డి కలెక్టర్లు వారి సిబ్బంది అందరూ కూడా కార్యాచరణలో వెంటనే దిగడం జరిగింది. ఇకపోతే ఈరోజు మన సన్మాన గ్రహీతులందరి గురించి ఎంత ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడినా కూడా అంత తక్కువే. సింధు ఈ 4 రోజులలో తెలుగు ప్రజల గుండె చప్పుడుగా మారిందనడంలో ఎలాంటి సందేహం లేదు. తెలుగు ప్రజలకే కాదు, యావత్ భారతదేశంలోనే తన పరిమళాన్ని వెదజల్లిన సింధూరం మన సింధు. క్రీడల పట్ల ఆసక్తి కనబరిచే ముందు తరానికి ఒక స్ఫూర్తిగా సింధు నిలిచిందనడానికి ఎటువంటి సందేహం లేదు. వెల్కమ్ హోమ్ సింధు. వన్స్ అగైన్ హార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ అచీవ్మెంట్. మరి ఇలాంటి జాతి రత్నాన్ని చెక్కిన శిల్పిని మరవగలమా? రాయిని రత్నంగా మార్చిన గురువు శ్రీ గోపీచంద్ గారికి హృదయపూర్వక అభినందనలు. గురువు శిష్యులిద్దరికీ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లో తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం ఘన స్వాగతం పలకటం జరిగింది. అలాగే వాళ్ళిద్దరినీ ఇక్కడ ఘనంగా సత్కరించడం మన అదృష్టం. ఈ రత్నాన్ని కని పెంచి జాతికి అంకితం ఇచ్చిన పివి రమణ విజయ దంపతులకు అభినందనలు తెలుపుతూ ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభిస్తున్నాం. జై హింద్.
థ్యాంక్స్ అనితా రాజేంద్ర గారు వెల్కమ్ అడ్రస్కి. మరొక 10 minutesలో వీ హ్యావ్ ఉత్తేజదాయకమైన సందేశాలు ఇస్తారు గౌరవ ప్రజాప్రతినిధులు.
And young sports persons all lining up for a selfie with PV Sindhu and also with Coach Pulela Gopichand. And there you see how people are so keen on a selfie with Sindhu. Rohini Swami, my colleague, joins me. Rohini, there will be a long queue before you can get there for a selfie with Sindhu. I'm sure you also want a selfie with Sindhu.
Absolutely. That long queue we're talking about thousands and thousands, and let me tell you that stadium is completely full and it's overflowing outside with children coming from various schools and people also leaving their offices just to participate in this felicitation of PV Sindhu. You can see Sindhu there. She's accepting felicitation from various people, and as the Telangana government does this in a grand scale, they do this also because they're also trying to make a point. They're trying to say that Sindhu is a star and this is how we actually bring and felicitate our people. There's a huge screen that has been put right across showing live images of music and dance, all dedicated to Sindhu. Gaurav, see the point, when we've been traveling nearly 35 kilometers from the airport here to all the way to Gachibowli Stadium, we saw thousands and thousands of students cheering and chanting Vande Mataram with the national flag. You know, even though we did participate in the Olympics, we got the feel and the kind of fervor that was seen at the Olympics when she won the silver medal. And when every time Sindhu flashed a beautiful silver medal which she won at the Olympics for badminton, each time people cheered and they clapped for her. And even we as media persons also, we felt absolutely proud of her achievement. And the entire country stands together just to stand with her and tell her what a beautiful achievement it is. But this girl is a fighter. The girl is a fighter because not only did she fight for the Olympics and she ended up with a silver medal, but now she says that her next target is going to be the gold medal. So she's not going to give up. She's not going to settle for anything less than gold. And that is also credit goes to her coach Pulela Gopichan. The kind of hard work he's put on her. We've seen the kind of rigorous routine they went by. All that very clearly shows pure dedication and hard work itself bears fruit. And at this time at the Gachibowli Stadium, where thousands of media persons also have come from various places, because this is an event that everybody was looking forward to. Silver Sindhu, Super Sindhu, the name that she's got already, the golden girl of Telangana, because she's known as a girl with a golden heart. And there you see, she along with her coach Pulela Gopichand also seated on the stadium along with KT Ramarao and along with the other ministers from the Telangana state. This is the government function, but we have been seeing how now people will also be coming to their house to come and congratulate her and offer. Some of them we've seen elderly people offering her blessings, and it was interesting to see and how in certain places people actually were giving her gifts on the way. They were they had cutouts of her and Pulela Gopichand which they had framed and given to her. They were throwing flowers at her. The only thing is a love and affection for the player, the love and affection for what she has done. And also another point that they're trying to make, Gaurav, is that they love her completely. PV Sindhu is somebody that they have always looked up to, and even the young kids in her college, in her school, as well as the academy, it's the same.
And the tricolor that is being waved with so much love, so much affection for the tricolor. We are looking at those images of the tricolor here, and also how people are queuing up for her autograph. I mean, it's amazing. We've had writers who've said things about our Olympians going abroad only for selfies and a foreign trip. But what we see on ground is completely different. They've won laurels for this country, and more important than that, Rohini, they've inspired a generation. Let's listen into what's happening on ground.
Thanks to the artists from Department of Telangana Language and Culture. Ipudu, a special song dedicated to the victory of PV Sindhu written by Aviral Mathur, sung by V. Vasanti. This is a dedication on behalf of all the IT industry of our Hyderabad and our Telangana. Vasanti, please come forward. ఒక 3 నిమిషాల పాటు పాట ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత ఆనరబుల్ మినిస్టర్ సందేశాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ ఎ బిగ్ హ్యాండ్. ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టి కళాకారులకు మనం ఇచ్చే ఆత్మీయ సత్కారం అంటే కరతాళ ధ్వనులు మాత్రమే. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ఆవిర్భావం తర్వాత అంతరించిపోతున్న కళారూపాలని అంతర్జాతీయ వేదికలపై కూడా వెలిగించాం. ఈ పేరిణి నాట్యానికి ఈ రోజటి స్పోర్ట్స్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఉన్న ఒక రిలేషన్ ఏంటంటే, పేరిణి డాన్స్ ఫార్మ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిటన్ బై జాయప హూ ఇస్ ఎ వారియర్. అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఎ మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లెండ్స్, స్పోర్ట్స్, athletics, warriorship and also culture. That is Telangana. Thanks to the artists.
Let me quickly bring in my colleague Rohini Swami for more. Rohini, this is spectacular, the way people are coming forward to felicitate PV Sindhu and coach Gopi Chand. Even this song, while it talks about Dil Ki Zami, while this song does talk about PV Sindhu's achievements, it also talks about Guru ke gyan ne badhaya desh ka samman. There is equal recognition of the great work of Gopi Chand, except perhaps by the Deputy Chief Minister of the state.
Absolutely, Gaurav. It's also the love of the people that you can actually see that they're coming forward. Not only they're participating in this entire function ceremony that is taking place here, they're also dedicating songs. We just had a lady who actually sang on behalf of the IT sector of Hyderabad and Telangana for her. A most fantastic melodious voice. Apart from that, we're seeing dance performances that are taking place. And now as you can see that each of them giving their own performances and their speeches, and this is an entire 2-hour program that has been lined up here. And the Telangana government has decided that they will do it in a grand scale. The grand scale started all the way with an open bus that started with PV Sindhu and Pulela Gopichand coming down the streets of Hyderabad. There's nothing less than a kind of a festival that we saw people throwing flowers with the Indian flags, chanting the Vande Mataram. But at the same time, also Sindhu for that matter, she's enjoying herself. The smile never left her face. She's now known as the Smiling Sindhu. She's known as Silver Sindhu, Super Sindhu. And it just shows the kind of love and affection people have for her and the kind of respect she has also for people. And also, one thing we should not forget is the contribution of Pulela Gopichand, the kind of hard work that he has put together just to make Sindhu the way she is. And we have had some of the greats. We have Saina also, who has trained with him earlier. She also has brought laurels to the country. Pulela himself, Gopichand himself, a fantastic player who's brought laurels to the country. And he had said at one point of time in the Sydney Olympics that he will bring an Olympic medal. He didn't bring one, but he brought 2. And that is exactly the kind of sportsmanship we are seeing, and that's the kind of sportsmanship that he's also trying to instill among people. They are an an inspiration for the youngsters to do what they believe in, go ahead and just make their mark and not to look around and worry about anything else, because end of the day it shows that hard work and dedication just proves bears fruit, and just the fact, see the pride in the faces, see, you know, and when they stand there and think and listen to all the praises, you know, it's just about not about themselves. They feel proud that they have managed to make their country proud. And like I was saying, you know,
Absolutely.
Sindhu also is known as very for her simplicity largely. Gaurav, I can quickly make a point that she was saying, and parents also been telling me that soon after she goes back, when they have their family welcome, she's going to be having some biryani and watching lots of movies. She's actually going to watch Mohenjo-daro, which is what her father has promised. So there's a simplicity in her and her life which also people connect with, and that's what makes the entire thing so different.
Okay, that's very interesting. So she intends to watch the film Mohenjo-daro as soon as she gets home and have Hyderabadi biryani. I mean, that sounds extremely interesting and very, very well deserved. But when we look at all these celebrations, there is a lot of hard work that's gone in, and what is equally inspiring is the fact that all the young girls who are there, we see a lot of budding PV Sindhus there. We see a lot of girls who are taking interest in badminton.
Yes.
Suddenly. That's very heartening.
Yeah, absolutely. It's very heartening, and when we've been talking to not just children or girls or boys who are training at the Pulela Gopichand Academy, but also in her school and college, they say that every time she plays, they're inspired to pick up the racket and play. Even though they may be not the best of players, but they feel that they can also do their bit, they can make their mark. And I'll tell you, some of the students I've been speaking to, Sindhu has actually sponsored them with jerseys and rackets, which shows the fact that not only is she's an inspiration, she's also inspiring a lot of young to give back what she gets, and that is interesting. How in terms of, a lot of them have been watching her technique, how she has improved in her technique in each game. There are times, there are screenings that I've done, especially of her matches in her college and school, to show how she's improved from one game to another. Even Gopichand also, he goes around and talks to youngsters, and it's
Okay.
also you know the fact that Gopichand actually recognized their talent at a very young age. That is also something that he has been doing through his academy. He has been nurturing and has a lot of PV Sindhus coming up. That is why after this event that is taking place, she will be going to the Gopichand Academy and meeting the youngsters there, sharing her experiences and telling them how she felt and how she played at the Olympics. At the same time, proving to be an inspiration each time, because when I was speaking to some of the people, like kids in the academy, they said, I am PV Sindhu. And that's interesting because each of them connect with her and they call themselves PV Sindhu because that's what they want to be.
Little girls walking up to PV Sindhu, little girls wanting a selfie with her, shaking her hand, getting a picture with her, presenting her a bouquet.